I met Melissa about 7 years ago. She was my ID for my first BTO flat. We decided to engage her again for this current unit renovation as we were impressed with her service, ideas and especially the workmanship.
So we shared with Melissa on our budget, theme and the design that we wanted. She planned out everything for us and provided us with all details and make our decision making fast and very easy. The experience and ability to infuse her ideas and our inputs to give the best design available.
The whole renovation process was smooth. Melissa is very responsive and responsible person. She made comfortable for us to work with her. She presented a lot of ideas and suggestions, including on how to save costs, which made us even happier. Most importantly, she updated us on the details and work progress at every stage of the renovation works.
We love everything about the house which Melissa helped us design, and she gave us as much ideas as possible for us to choose from, and we were happy with all the options that were provided to us, which eventually came about right now that is a beautiful house for us. We will definitely recommend Crescendo to our families and friends who are planning to have their homes being renovated, and we will definitely recommend Melissa to be the ID, as we believe that she can deliver and give the best that they want.
Thank you, Melissa and Crescendo. You have done such an absolutely amazing job on our house. The whole theme, design, color combinations were perfect. Thank you so much for your patient advice and hard work throughout the renovation.